Done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So moving to the next point here. So let's move here. Hello, Rumaisa, how are you? Is I'm audible to you? Rumaisa, Avni, Abdul Jabbar, and Riaz.
Yes, sir, you're audible.
Okay. And Rumaisa,
Yes,
are you?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's talk about this one that that in blood, the matrix of blood is called plasma, having in the plasma, the floating cells are present, which we call them corpuscles. Okay. Blood cells help in the transportations of various materials such as nutritive substance, gaseous substance, excretory products, and hormones. So please note it till here. Okay. Function of blood. This is the function of blood. Okay. This is the functions in that blood help in the transportation of various materials such as nutritive substance, gases that we respire. Okay. Respiratory gases is being transferred, excretory products, and hormones. Note it down till here. Done? When you're done, please let me know. Done? Nobody is answering.
No, sir, 1 minute.
Okay. Noted till here.
Yes, sir, done.
Done. Everybody
Yes,
in the
sir.
class. Rumaisa.
Yes, sir.
Rumaisa, are you there? Again, Rumaisa is not responding. Riaz, Abdul Jabbar, done.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let's move further. And you know very well that the functions of RBC is red blood cells, and it help in transportation of oxygen due to the presence of a specialized pigment called hemoglobin. Okay, so note it down. They are also called means RBC bracket में write it erythrocytes. RBC red blood cells are also called erythrocytes, and they are considered to be red because of the respiratory pigment, red color respiratory pigment called hemoglobin. So containing red colored respiratory pigment called hemoglobin, which help in the transportation of oxygen. So note it down about the RBC. White blood cells are called leukocytes, and they are called the soldiers of the body. And write it protect our body, protect our body from engulfing bacterial and other foreign particles. Okay. So note only the underlined one. Done.
1 minute, last slide.
Similarly, platelets, you know, platelets are the mean they help in the blood clotting. Okay, so if we got injured somewhere, blood is start coming out from body, so platelets help in blood clotting. Okay, platelets plays a very important role in clotting of blood. Okay, so platelets, they are also called thrombocytes. Okay, involved in clotting of blood. Right, it spindle shaped cell involved in comma involved in clotting of blood. Let you turn on your camera. Everybody, please turn on your camera. Let me check whether you are writing or not. Avni, Abdul Jabbar, Riaz, turn on your camera. Abdul Jabbar, you also turn on your camera. Let me check whether you are writing or not. Show me a copy. Okay. Abdul Jabbar, show me your copy. Abdul, turn on your camera.
Ma'am, sir, can I send it to you on WhatsApp?
No, show me on the camera. Done?
No, sir, 1 minute. Sir, done.
Done? Next
Sir.
is skeleton tissue. So we are talking about skeleton tissue. So skeleton, you know very well that it is made up of skeleton tissue consists of mainly bone and cartilage. Okay, so if I talk about skeleton tissue, so it is of two types. It consists of bone and cartilage. Bone and cartilage. Okay, you done? You noted this one up to here? Done, Avni?
Sir.
So if we talk about the bone, okay, so bone, you know that matrix of bone is very hard. You know, bone is very hard, and okay, and consist of, and write it, and made up of calcium phosphate and calcium carbonate, and protein oxygen. The bone cells are called osteoblast. Okay. The long bones are usually hollow, containing cavities called marrow, and it is full of bone marrow. Okay. Just write this only. The underline one.
Sir, what is matrix?
What is matrix?
Yeah.
Matrix is anything that is forming the space. Space. For example, like if I'm having this thing, okay, and if I filled something with gel, with this gel, okay, jelly like substance, so this will considered as a matrix for this one. If a cell, you see cell in the cell there is a cytoplasm is present, so cytoplasm is the matrix for it. Okay, so if we have blood, plasma is the matrix in which the blood cells are embedded. Okay, similarly, the cytoplasm is the matrix in which the cell organelles are embedded. Okay, understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, note it down. Done?
No, sir. Done, sir.
Done, everybody? Avni done?
Yes, sir.
Riaz, Abdul Jabbar,
Yes,
Rumaisa.
sir.
Just a second, sir.
The next one is the cartilage. Cartilage, as you know, bone have blood vessels. So bone in bone, there is a supply of blood. Okay, because it has blood vessels. Okay, hollow containing, and we can say that blood is the blood cells. We can say that there's a blood supply in bones. Okay, so and moreover, we can say that the bones are hard and they are not flexible, and they contain protein that is called osteosin. Oh, sorry, osteosin, and the bone is made up of cells called osteoblast. Okay. Okay. Now moving to the next one is cartilage. Cartilage is just like you feel in the bone. It is hard, but not as much as hard that you can see in your ears. It is present in your ears, in your nose. Okay. So it is not very hard bone. Okay. It is cartilage. Cartilage is, we can say that this is elastic tissue, less harder as comparison to bone, and it consists of protein, chondrin protein. Okay. Consist of protein, okay, called chondrin protein. Cells of this cartilage is called chondroblast, which are widely spaced and matrix and reinforced by the fibers. Okay, got it? So only write about this one. It occurs at the joints of bones, nose, ears, trachea, and larynx. Provide flexibility and great tensile strength. Note it down. Note it down, please.
Sir, done.
So the next one is the you know very well that about the connective tissue. That connective tissue is further divided into two types of specialized tissue, that is called, and that is a supportive tissue that we call tendons and ligaments. Okay, tendons and ligament that connect bone to bone and bone to muscles. Okay, so let's talk about that one. That it is the most abundant type of connective tissue, and it is further divided into two types: the fibrous connective tissue, yellow fibrous connective tissue. Okay, this is the we can consider this one. and that is called ligament. So ligament is, we are talking about ligament. Ligament is yellow fibrous connective tissue. Okay. And it is elastic due to the presence of yellow fibers. Okay. Noted down. Ligaments, yellow fibrous connective tissue, elastic due to the presence of network of yellow fibers. Function is which is attached bone to bone, means it connect bone to bone or it joins, called as ligament, which attach bone to bone. Okay, noted down. And similarly, this is the bifibrous tissue that we called it tendons. Tendons. So tendons is white. Noted down. Tendons is white fibrous connective tissue. Okay, bundle of this tissue, or note down. Okay, which attach muscle to bones. Noted down. Done. Noted. Done. I'm asking.
What minute, sir? 1 minute.
Done?
Sir.
Done? Avni?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And the next type of connective tissue is areolar connective tissue. Areolar connective tissue is just present beneath the areolar connective tissue is present. Okay, it is present just below the skin, or we can say that it is the most distributed connective tissue. Tissue fills the space inside the organs. Okay, and found between the skins and the muscles. Skins, for example, top layer of epithelial tissue, and this is the muscle fiber. So here, in areolar connective tissue will be present. Okay, so areolar connective tissue is present between the skins and the muscles. Okay, muscles around the blood vessels, nerves, and bone marrow. So note it down. Areolar, the whole 2 points. Note the full 2 points. Areolar connective tissue. Done. Noted. Areolar. Done.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Do this one. Adipose tissue. The last one. Adipose tissue is generally, they are called the fat cells. Okay, the stored fat that we generally, the fat, those persons who are very fat, they are rich when they are going to have uh high level of adipose tissue. So adipose tissue is stored fat. Okay, so these are the fat cells. Okay, so oval round sepals filled with fat globules. Okay, they consist of fat globules. These cells are called adipocytes. We call them adipocytes, and they are found in subcutaneous layers below the skins. Okay, they are present in the subcutaneous layers below the skins. around the heart, brain, and eyeballs. Okay, they are insulators and prevent heat loss from the body. So note it this 3 points as a whole. Okay, so this is the last one that we have done. Done.
No, sir.
So 1 minute.
Ramaisa is there. Ramaisa, are you writing?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This is the last one that we adipose tissue that are very, and then you will get the homework regarding to this tissue.
Sir, done.
Abni done. Abdul Jabbar done. Ramaisa, your voice is not audible.
Done, sir.
So is there anyone who has not done? Everyone done. Okay, so let's discuss. Okay, wait a minute. Let's have some question regarding to this chapter. Okay. Okay. Question number 6. What should be the answer for the question number 6? Tell me, everybody. A person met with an accident in which two long bones and hands were dislocated. Two long bones and hand of hands were dislocated. Okay. Which among the following may be possible reason?
Ligament break.
Yes, because ligament connect bone to bone. Okay. Very good. Which one? Which of the following while doing work and running, you move your hands along with your hands, legs. Okay. So, which of the following is correct? Bus.
Sir, A. Smooth muscle contract and pull the ligament to move the bones.
Okay. While doing hard work, you move your hands along with organs, legs. Which of the following is correct? Okay. Smooth muscle contract and pull the ligaments. Is ligaments. Okay. So ligaments to move bone. Smooth muscles. Smooth muscles. No, because smooth muscles are incorrect. Which one you are saying? C, A, B, C, D. Which one?
A.
A. No. Smooth muscles are involuntary. And while you are running, you move your leg. And this is voluntary. This is voluntary action. So this will mean only skeletal muscles. So skeletal muscle contract and pulls the ligaments to move the bone. Ligament connect to bone. No. Data tending, because ligaments is not is connected, or we can say ligament connect bone to bone. But while we are contracting, then muscles is connected to the bone. Okay. So, and muscles which the tissue that is connected with muscles and bones is called uh tendons. Okay. So D is the correct option. Okay.
Okay.
D is the correct. Why skeleton? Why not smooth? Tell me. Because skeleton muscles is. Tell me. Because skeleton muscle is.
Are easy to contract.
Yes, it is voluntary. While smooth muscle is involuntary. We cannot control the action of smooth muscles. Okay. 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 Which the correct select the incorrect statement. Tell me. Select the incorrect statement.
C.
C.
No.
Tendons. Bones matrix contain proteins, salts, and
A.
hormones.
A.
A. Protein, salts, and hormones. No. Blood contain bone. Sorry, blood contain blood matrix contains hormone. These are present. Okay. Two bones are connected with leg and series. Also, cartilage is a form of connective tissue. Yes, it is also. Tendons are non-fibrous. No, tendons are fibrous tissue. They are white fibrous. Okay. So they are non-fibrous. No, they are fibrous. And fragile means that can easily break. No, they are elastic. Okay. Got it? So C is the correct option. Okay. Cartilage is not found in
C.
Kidney.
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 Very good. Fats are stored in human body as
Adipose tissue. No. Cartilage. Sorry, cartilage.
bone matrix is rich in
Calcium and phosphorus.
which one is correct?
C.
Bone matrix is rich in calcium and phosphorus. Okay. Got it?
Sir.
Calcium. B is the correct option. Contractile protein are found in
Muscles.
Muscles.
why are you not responding? Everybody? Wait a minute.
Muscles.
Muscles.
Speak something, dear students. All are muted.
Sir.
Wait a minute. Let me disconnect this one.
Muscles, sir.
Okay. Now tell me which one is the correct. Which one is
B.
correct?
14th one is B.
contractile proteins are found in blood?
Muscles.
Muscles. Contractile proteins are present in muscles. Very good. And voluntary muscles are found in
Limbs.
iris of eye. Limbs. Sorry. It's no, it's not. Involuntary muscles are present in eye. So limbs is the correct option. Limbs means hand, okay, and feet, because you can move with this, okay. So nervous cells do not contain. Question number 18.
Nerve end. No. Yeah, nerve
Tendons.
end.
Does not contain
B.
Tendons.
tendons. They don't contain tendons. Axon is present there. Nerve ending is also present. Dendroids is also present. These are the three parts of nerve cells. The dendroid is the first part, the axon the middle part, and the nerve ending the last part. Okay. The cell body has some finger-like positions. That is called dendroids. Okay. So C is tendon. Tendon is a connective tissue. It is not a nerve. So how it can be present in the nerve cells? Okay. Which of the followings help in repair of tissue and fill up the space inside the organ?
Cartilage.
Areola.
Areolar.
Areolar.
Areolar. You have noted this one. Okay. Which of the following cells are found in the cartilaginous tissue that you have written in your copy? Which of the following cells are found in the cartilaginous